Mark, here's your 408 small block Ford. Just got to unrun it and give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it for our custom ground hydraulic rollers. It's EFI. We've got the mass flow manifold, Holley throttle body, obviously Holley Terminator X. Got custom pistons in it. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 485 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 499. Peaks horsepower 487. We rated actually 450. The new head and the multi-point EFI runs really good. So get her off there, get in a crate, and come your way. Have a great day.